Hello class, hope you all are fine, and you all know that you all are going to have exam, half yearly's exam, and do prepare for it. As I like to tell you all that we have given you all a comprehension and informal letter in the form of worksheet. Please do that comprehension and as informal letter in your copies, so that because students, I am telling you, these are the very important part of your question paper. So please do focus on this comprehension and informal letter. So any one part can be in your question paper. So please learn the informal letter, and you all know the thing which I told you earlier also in earlier classes, and you all know very well that how you all will be writing the informal letter also. And so please do in your copies. Okay, now students, we will be reading the new chapter 5, that is here pronoun. What is pronoun, everyone? A word that is used in place of noun is called pronoun. The word which we use in place of noun, like see this example. Ruchi is a little girl. She reads in kindergarten. So see the types of pronouns are personal pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, distributive pronouns. So let us read about some of these pronouns. Now see, what is personal pronouns, everyone? Personal pronouns stand for the name of person. They take place of nouns and are used as the subject of the verb in a sentence. Personal pronouns have three categories, that is first person, second person, third person. First person speaks about the person who speaks. Now see the example: I, we, ours, us, our, and my. What is now second person? Speaks about the person who is spoken to. For example, you, your, and yours. These are the things to everyone. These are the things you are using in your day-to-day life. You are using with your parents, you are using with your friends, you are using with your teachers. These are the things which we are using in a daily manner. Now see, person, subject, and object and possessive case. First person, I, and me, my, and mine, we, us, and our, and ours. These are the words come from personal pronoun. Now come to next one. Now second person, thou, thee, thy, and thine. You, your, and yours. He, him, his. She, her, and hers. The third person, when we are talking for the third person, it and its, they, them, and their. So some sentences using personal pronouns: I got a free pass, he is my father, we love our country, you are my best friend. So these are the things from personal pronoun. Now come to reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronouns are words reflexive pronouns are words that refers to the person or animal that is a subject in sentences. They either end in self as in the singular form or selves as in the plural form. For example, I washed myself. She saw herself in the mirror. The poor man lives all by himself in an old house. They have proved themselves to be right. Yes. So these are the reflexive pronouns that are refers to the person or animals, the subject in the sentence. Now come to interrogative pronouns. Pronouns such as who, what, which, whose, and whom that introduces questions are called interrogative pronouns. For example, what is the matter? Who gave you that? Whom did you call? What happened to you yesterday? So these are the pronouns in the form of interrogative pronoun. These are used when someone is introduced a question. Now come to demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronouns point out persons or thing as this, these, that, and those. For example, this is my answer. That was too much for me. So demonstrative pronoun tells about the points out the person or things as these, that, and those. For example, this is my answer and that was too much for me. These are good mangoes. Hand me those candles, please. So these are the point out of a person or thing. Now possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns are used to indicate the possession or ownership of anything. And what is possession? Indicates the ownership of anything, like anything, anything, and who's the owner of that thing. Now see example. This painting is mine. The car is ours. This is all yours. The book that is stolen is his. My brother brought a kitten. Its fur is all brown. The house at the end of this lane is theirs. So these are the things we are talking about, the ownership. So and hope you all have understood the chapter. This is very easy chapter, but go through the examples, and examples are very important thing that can be easily explain you. So so the color words in the above sentences are possessive case of personal pronouns. So please go, we will be sending you the worksheet of that exercises. So please do one again I am telling you, please do the comprehension and informal letter in your copies, please, because this is very important part of your question paper. Please, you are going to have your half yearly exam soon and none of the time is left for that. So be prepared and do well, and please use the good handwriting for your work, and please be careful about your studies and your health, and take care. Have a nice day and good day.